Don't touch it on fire. It's on fire. Blow it out. Oh, it went out.
Don't get it on fire. Blow it. Blow it.
Blow it.
Emma, you might want to roast it a bit more.
All you do is you hold the stick and you get the
Just like
marshmallow on the fire.
roasting.
Nope, just to get it
Careful.
Close, but not too close.
All right. Pretty cool video. Blow it out.
Pasta. That's good.
Blow it out.